Did you know every 39 seconds, a cyber attack happens somewhere in the world? That could be your email, your bank account, or your entire workplace. But what exactly is cybersecurity? How does it actually work? And what can you do to stay safe online? In the next few minutes, you'll learn the essentials of cybersecurity, how it works behind the scenes, and what steps you can take right now to protect yourself. Let's get into it. Section 1. Cybersecurity is the practice of protecting systems, networks, and data from digital attacks. These attacks are often designed to access, steal, or destroy sensitive information, or to extort money from users, businesses, or even governments. But cybersecurity isn't just for big companies or IT professionals. It's for everyone, because today, everyone is online. From your social media accounts to your smart fridge, everything connected to the internet is potentially vulnerable. Cybersecurity is the digital armor that keeps those devices and your data safe. Section 2. So why does this matter to you? Because hackers don't care who you are. They care about what you have. And that's your data, your passwords, your credit card number, your health records, even your identity. And this isn't rare. Cybercrime is expected to cost the world over $10 trillion every single year. We've already seen ransomware shut down hospitals, entire companies brought to a halt, even critical infrastructure like pipelines attacked. But it's not just corporations. Every day, regular people like you and me fall victim to phishing emails, identity theft, and online scams. Cyber threats are everywhere, and that's exactly why cybersecurity is so important. Section 3. Let's break down some of the most common cyber threats you might face. First, phishing. These are fake emails or messages that try to trick you into giving away sensitive information, like passwords or credit card numbers. Next, we've got malware, short for malicious software. This could be viruses, worms, spyware, or ransomware. Software designed to harm or spy on your devices. Ransomware is a particularly nasty one. It locks your files and demands money to give them back. There's also social engineering, where attackers manipulate people into handing over access, like pretending to be your boss or a trusted company. And then you've got more advanced threats like man-in-the-middle attacks, where hackers intercept communication between you and a website. This can happen over free Wi-Fi or zero-day exploits, where attackers take advantage of a software flaw before the developer even knows it exists. All these happen every day. Section 4. So how do we fight back? Cybersecurity works like a layered defense system, combining tools, technology, and smart practices. Let's walk through a few examples. A firewall acts like a digital security guard, controlling what comes in and out of your network. Antivirus software scans your devices for malicious code and blocks it before it can cause harm. Encryption protects your data by turning it into unreadable code. Even if someone steals it, they can't read it. Multi-factor authentication, or MFA, adds an extra layer of protection by requiring a second form of verification, like a text code or fingerprint. There are also systems that monitor for suspicious activity, called intrusion detection systems. And finally, education. Because the truth is, people are often the weakest link. One wrong click on a bad link can open the door to a serious breach. Section 5. Let's look at how this plays out in real life. Scenario 1. You get an email that says your Netflix account is suspended. You click the link, enter your login, and just like that, a scammer has your email and password. Scenario 2. You use the same password for every account. One website gets breached, and now hackers can access your bank, your email, and more. Scenario 3. You plug in a USB drive you found at work, but it contains malware that installs itself and starts recording everything you type. These are real situations, and they happen every day. Section 6. So what can you do about it? Here are 7 simple ways to stay safe online. Use strong, unique passwords for every account. And use a password manager if you can't remember them all. Turn on multi-factor authentication. Always. Keep your software and apps updated. Those updates patch security flaws. Don't click on suspicious links. Ever. Be skeptical of emails that sound urgent or strange, especially if they ask for money or personal info. Secure your home Wi-Fi with a strong password and proper encryption. And finally, back up your important files regularly so you're not at the mercy of ransomware. Cybersecurity is not about being paranoid. It's about being prepared.